Cool?
Yeah, I'll go.
Don't put your hand over the microphone.
Where is it?
I'll show you. It's just here, so just be careful.
I don't want to drop it.
Someone in
Sarah.
this class filmed last year, and I was.
You what?
I won't say. Anyway, so what we're going to do today is we are going to have a look at how to understand, how to comprehensively examine the effect of speech factors on our hauora. In the so what section, what you are doing is you are looking at how speech factors affect your physical participation in the how and why section, and then in the so what section we look at the positive effects of that, the negative effects of that, and how that affects your hauora or your total well-being. Alright? So, what you guys have generally been pretty good at doing is identifying how it affects one component of hauora. But there's 4 components of hauora. Alright? So, in here, you've got in the About tab, you've got a PowerPoint which will be quite helpful to you. It's called Involvement in Physical Activity and its Impact on Wellbeing, but it's PPTX for some reason. And what we need to do is we need to go to this slide here. Okay, that one there, the one that says hauora with the 4 circles. So, when you are looking at the effect of hauora, you're looking at quite well at one. So you have been really good at saying it's helped me physically because it's kept me physically fit. That's great. But for comprehensive examination, you need to then go on to say how it then knocks on to one or more other dimensions of hauora. Alright? Eva has written some really good stuff, but she's kindly supporting you guys by letting us have a look at her work. If you have a read of this first paragraph here, okay, and then have a read of that, okay, alright, so read that paragraph only, and then that. That's my comment to her this morning, or yesterday or something like that. Yep, this morning. Today. So just read it, please. If you can't read it...
Can I stop recording?
Press Control Plus.
Sir.
Where's plus?
Oh my god.
Is that better?
Do I stop recording now? Do I stop?
And I'll move it. So just the first paragraph. And then my comment. Because what Eva's done is awesome, but it's very indicative of what everybody else has done. So let's use it to learn how we go to the next step.
He didn't tell me to stop.
Is it finished?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, what you need to do is you need to go back to this diagram if you run out of ideas on how perhaps your, say, the physical positive of the effect on you and how it throws on. So this here is there ready for you to go. If you're going, well, actually, how did participating in touch rugby help me other than physical fitness? Alright? If you were to just say it also helped me with a sense of achievement, great, but the links is what I'm looking for. So, for example, I got physically faster, and then that gave me a sense of achievement, which also gave me a sense of confidence, and therefore I was more likely to participate in the future. You see the links? Yep, okay. So at level 3, that's what's required for your excellence. Question?
Is this in the so what, or do you incorporate it in the how and why as well?
If you want to incorporate the how, why, that's great, but to keep the structure simple, probably more on the so what.
Okay.
Yep. And it could also be as the, you might not include it in the positive and the negative, but then when you go, well, how has this impacted on my future participation, you could bring it in then. Okay, so there's a number of ways you can do it, but try and keep it in the so what just to keep it simple. Any more questions?